In this video, I'll create a DotCode barcode in Crystal reports using the IDAutomation barcode fonts. DotCode was designed for use with high-speed industrial printers where printing accuracy cannot be guaranteed. The font package is already installed. To create a barcode in your own report, access the report file in the package under Integration Crystal Reports. Open the Crystal Report formula file. In the sample report, right-click and copy the object. In your own report, right-click and select Paste. To edit the data, right-click the barcode and select Edit Formula. Modify the data to encode as a string literal, data field, or a combination of both. Save and close. This is a DotCode barcode in Crystal reports.